Well, 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 if it isn't me doing another review of some great products here. This time is from a company called Neewer, and I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. And yes, these are two V-mount batteries, and this is the first time we reviewed anything of this type. So I'm pretty excited. We're going to be unboxing these, trying it out right after this. Okay, before I begin my review, I want to say that I don't really think I'm the necessary target audience for this. These batteries look like they belong on some serious electronic equipment. You know, which I have to say I don't really have around here. You can tell it by my reviews that I'm going very low budget. I have a single camera, and that camera I use as my smartphone. I have a ring light, so that helps. And but oftentimes my lighting isn't quite the best here. Maybe I can improve on that. Hang on a second. See what I mean? Anyway, I think these things, like, let's put it this way. Every time I go to any kind of conference I'm at, there's usually guys who carry around advanced cameras and tripods with lights and stuff like that, and they're there to really make like a story that you would see on the evening news, like professional grade. I'm not quite there yet, but I can tell you this, that'll get me there a little faster, because these things are batteries designed for the back of all kinds of like complex equipment and stuff like that, and yeah, it's gonna show. So here's the deal. We're just gonna unbox it, see what we can do with it, and yeah, and this will be fun. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one. This is the PS099E, and it is a mini 6800 it's 6800 milliampere per hour, or milliampere hour. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. And V-mount battery. Also has a 99 WH after it, which I have no idea what that means. But we're in the unboxing, so we're gonna get to it. This is kind of nice. There's something up on the front here. Okay, comes with this little thing here that's, I'm guessing has the instructions in it, but we'll open her up and see. Yeah, there's actually quite a bit of instruction to it. Ooh, look at how thick this manual is. Normally the manual's just like this fold-out little thing. Not this time. This thing is definitely down to it. But let's get to the product itself. Okay, so it comes wrapped in this kind of stuff. And let's see. Just for the sake of argument, I'm just going to assume that there's nothing else in the box, but I want to make sure here. Yeah, nothing. Okay, glad I took the time on that. Okay, so we have this thing right here, and it has so many ways to mount this thing. This is where I'm going to get a little bit, where I'm going to have to do a little research. By research, that means I'm going to have to be looking this up as I go on this handy-dandy laptop I've got right next to me here. Anyway, so hang on a second. There's a power switch right in front. Well, actually, I'll take this off first. And I want to see if this just powers up. It does. Hey, all right. Okay, so check it out. It's at 14.4 volt. Yeah, it's got 32% power already. So that's right out of the box. It works. So just out of curiosity, let's see what it has. On the side, it's got a USB-C and USB-A. But then it has several ports that I have no idea what we've got here. This one is marked DC input, so we've got 8 volt and 12 volt. Okay, so if that's important to you, that's important to you. What is on the side here is interesting. It has a, what is that? D-tap. Okay, and this is a port I'm not familiar with. Some of you guys probably, I don't think I have any equipment like that has anything like that. However, I have a feeling that this would be very instrumental if I wanted to make some very professional quality stuff. But hey, enough about me. Let's talk more about this product here. Alright, but I see no reason to talk when I can just insert some charging cables in it and see how long it goes. For example, like I happen to have a USB-C to USB-C, and I've got a USB-C to USB-A. And I want to see what happens when I start putting stuff on it. Where's that phone? Oh, here it is. Okay, let's just connect that to the USB-C to USB-C and see what we get. And charging. Not bad. So the question remains, how much battery power is in this? Well, I don't know, honestly. I'm going to do some research here. By research, I mean I'm going to look at the website and find something out here, but I don't think I have the correct one up here. Ah, here we go. Sorry about that. While I was reviewing the product, I think I had the wrong page listed here. So now that I've got this here, okay, this is good for both smartphones, tablets, and laptops. So we've got that. Oh, we have dual USB-A and USB-C charging. Just out of curiosity, actually, you know what? I never did test out this one on the bottom here. I'm just gonna put this in here. Is this sort of... Oh, okay, that works as a charger too. I didn't know if I was getting kind of... Actually, yeah, I suddenly realized I'm not really certain. Oh yeah, hang on a second. How do I charge this thing, though? That's a good question. I'm going to disconnect this. I'm going to connect this to my laptop here. And... yeah, okay. The battery is kind of doing this thing where it's kind of doing that pumped up kicks thing. You know, where batteries kind of, they they kind of pulse or something like that. It's charging, okay? I don't really know the exact terms for this stuff, but yeah, I'm having a lot of fun doing this. So hey, with that, I can actually charge this and charge my phone at the same time, couldn't I? I could. Huh, I'm liking this so far. Okay, I'm told with fast charging equipment, you can charge this in about 3 hours. So yeah, that saves time, and then you've got this battery here that you can use for all kinds of things. Okay, best of all, this is an intelligent battery management system. So it prevents from overheating, electric shock, overvoltage, short circuit, overcharge, and overcurrent. Gotta like that. So I can probably leave this one connected to my laptop all night and probably not worry about it just, you know, leaving a black spot on the table the next morning. So, yeah. Okay, so, alright, here's some stuff I've got here. I've got some numbers for you that you're gonna like. I'm told for an iPhone 14 Pro, so these are old figures, you can charge it about 5.8 times with a full charge on this thing. Those are pretty good numbers. That's, I don't know what that would be with an iPhone 16, because this is dated website info I'm looking at. For the iPad Pro 12.9 tablet, about 3.3 times. Let's just say 3 for the average new iPad. I'm not really certain which is the new iPad out these days. For the MacBook Pro 14-inch, those are also 2022 things, we're looking at about 15 times. Not bad. And you can even charge an LED video light about 1.5 times. So this is a NS60C. That could be a product that they make. I'm not really certain. By the way, Neewer makes all sorts of products for stuff like that, as in like they're designed for. Actually, you know what? I'm not really certain what they really make here. I'm gonna have to write my article as far as what this company targets to, because they seem to come out with a lot, and we're gonna be doing. This is gonna be the only report we're gonna be doing on this. Okay, so the price is pretty good. It's about $194.99, and best of all, it's super portable. Here, watch if I take all the charging cables out and I do this, you could probably fit this in a side pocket. Granted, I wouldn't fit this in the breast pocket, but hey, I mean, if you got like something spare in your suit luggage, I think this would accommodate it very well. Okay, well that's it for that one. Well, let's go on to the next one. Okay, now this is the PS099EP, and you might be wondering, what's the difference between the EP and the E? Well, the answer is, we'll figure this out. I'm going to go through and just kind of figure out what exactly is different about this, if the numbers are any different, or anything like that. First of all, on the top, it comes with a few little, there's a few little things in here. Hey, there's something in here. The last one didn't come with any charging cord or anything like that. This feels like it's, oh, hello. I don't really know what this is. This is a USB-C to USB-C. Okay, that's good. That's different. Now, let's see what's in here. This would be a, not really sure what this, oh, hello. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, this is, I know what this is, but I still have to look it up because, okay, this is one of those multiple ports. This is a D, this is the D port here. You can see it right there. And I'm guessing this is used for high-end video and audio equipment. I'm saying I'm guessing because, yeah, as you can see, I don't really use high-end video audio equipment here on my show. Should I? Yes. Have I? Oh yes. Some of my earliest videos were done in the studio, but unfortunately I can't really afford that anymore. So I'm gonna go with this. In the meantime, let's talk about what's in here, eh? Alright, let's just pour it out and just check it out. And speaking of pour out, yeah, the box is pretty much just what I thought it was. Same thing as last time. Okay, this one has a bit of a different shape, and just to compare and contrast, I'm going to show you these things together here. Let's see. I don't want to get these mixed up. So this is the E and this is the EP. You might be wondering what the difference is. Shape for one thing, and also size. This one is definitely smaller. However, this one does have the bigger stats. For example, it is, oh, what shall we say? Oh, the EP is about, oh, actually, it's about 6800 mAh. Same stats? I don't know. Okay, I think the best thing I'm going to do here is to power it on, but I don't really see any switch or anything like that. Or is there one? Is that one? Oh, okay. The switch was on top here. So, okay. This one is at 58 right out of the box, let the record show. And this one comes with a lot more ports, and I want to make sure that I give you a full rundown of what they are. So, okay. So we open this up here on top, and I'm seeing, oh my gosh, okay. There is two USB-C ports in here. One is marked input, the other is marked output. And then I've also got a USB-A, and then I also have a 8-volt output and 12-volt output as well. So we're looking at some interesting stuff there. And then while we're on the subject, where's the D? Where's the D? Oh yeah, here it is, right here. This is the, D tap in and D tap out. So some of you might know what that means. Hey, leave a comment if you know what that means, and better yet, maybe I should just research that in my article and just put that in there. So anyway, this is a thing for that. Oh, where did I put that thing? Yes, right here, baby. Okay, I gotta like this thing. Okay, so okay, fun stuff here. There we go. Okay, got this on there. You can see that's kind of how that works. Hey, let's connect this up for some charging, eh? Okay, I got this connected to my laptop, and it's currently charging right now. You can see the indicator that it is. And, but hey, maybe I need to connect it to something with output on it. Let's just kind of do that. Since this says it's input or output, then I should be able to just connect it to my phone and just have it start charging. Does that happen that way? Does it? Huh. Yes, it does. Okay, it took a little while for that to go there, but it went there. Not bad at all. So, this leaves other questions as far as how much charging can we get out of this thing? Okay, I feel fair to warn you that there is a serious max 100 watt PD fast charging. This is something that wasn't on the last thing. So, and, but the USB A and C simultaneous charging, that was on the other one that we did. So anyway, so this one will fully charge in about 2 hours. The other one was 3. So we're looking at some improvement there. That's why there's an increase in the price, but we'll get to that. Okay, this is also an intelligent intelligent battery management system. Just like the other one, has all those features that I think I mentioned before. And I'll go into more detail about them in the article. Okay, we've got some new stats here. I'm told I can do an iPhone Pro about 6 times. That's pretty good. As far as the iPad Pro 12.9, that's about 2 times. And the MacBook Pro 13-inch, looking about 1 time. And then for that one light thing, the stat is about the same, 1.52 times. So it's a little more. Okay, something I forgot to talk about is how this has a V-plate connector, and I believe the other one has one as well. Yes, it does. So it's good for camcorder use. Perhaps I need to get more advanced camera in order to do that, and maybe we will. Actually, maybe we should. Anyway, I like its portability. That's always an option, and an easy option. See how easily portable it is. Well, there it is. Kind of this forward-leaning aesthetic here. The other one didn't. Not sure why. Hey, it's a good product. So let's get to the price. It's about $239.99 on the Neewer site, and I highly recommend getting it if you are into this kind of thing and you just need some good battery charging for all your high-tech equipment. This be the way to go. Anyway, this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church. I'm going to be signing off.